Today we got this chainsaw in the mail. I'm pretty excited about this because I've been wanting to get a battery-powered chainsaw that we can use to cut down larger stuff. So this is a Wild Badger 40-volt, 16-inch chainsaw. They sent me for free. They're not paying me to do this video, except for the actual chainsaw itself to review. Unbox away, my man. Zeke has been chomping at the bit to unbox this chainsaw. And what knife are you using there, Zeke? You got to show everyone your knife. What is this? Did you make that?
Yeah.
Out of a what? What is that made of?
File. It's walnut I milled on the Woodland Mill sawmill, and that's bone from the deer I shot last fall, and those are nails from an old barn beam.
Are those from the Kellogg elevator beam?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. That's cool. All right, let's continue with the unboxing. Here's a couple other young men that are very excited to see what the saw is going to look like. Here we go. Paper.
Ooh, that looks nice.
What is that? It's a scrunch!
Did it come with a scrunch?
Yeah!
All right.
It came with a scrunch.
Yeah.
Yes. Just look.
What's this?
Let's see. The battery.
It's a battery.
That's right.
This battery or the charger? It's the battery. Wow, that's a big battery.
Yeah, I want to put
How
it
many
in.
bars does it have, Oliver?
I want to try to put. I want to try.
No, no, don't put it in. There's a button on there. You need to push and see how many bars it has. How many bars it have?
2 bars.
2 bars.
Ooh.
We'll have to charge it.
Yeah. Let's see if this is the
I
charger.
bet you that's the charger. Yep,
Oh.
by golly, that's the charger. Wow, cut it right off.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Wow, it really goes.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that one thing is
That
one thing
delay.
is the delay.
Yeah, it's gotten me a couple times like, whoa, what's going on there?
Yeah. Once you get used to that, though, it seems to be all right, don't it? I like the fact that it ramps up speed, similar to a gas chainsaw.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we haven't even charged the battery yet. It's just off the 2 bars that it came with.
Yeah. It's a really dark colored.
Heart in that apple tree, yeah. Feeding the cows. Don't hit her this time. She waited till you're done
Yeah.
this time. She's like, I'm gonna stand back.
Come, boss.
Nope. Moose heard you. That is impressive. How's it feel to you?
I'm barely pushing.
Yeah? Here, I'll hold it. Just come up from the bottom.
I'll come.
Yeah, I don't want you to hit the dirt too much. Wow. Wow.
I am genuinely impressed.
I mean, it's a little bit punky, but
Yeah,
that's solid for the most part of ash. I mean, that's a hardwood, man. Holy cow. And it's all of, you know, it's the full bar width across at the widest point. And then, yeah, lay the bar on there, 16-inch bar. Wow. I am surprised.
Yeah,
I did not
am
expect
impressed.
that. Huh. It cut that fast. Wow. Huh. I would definitely buy that.
Yeah.
I would definitely buy that. That's crazy. Huh. Well, I'm really happy with that because that's going to cut a lot of firewood for us.
Yeah, this winter.
I mean, think about it. With gas prices the way they are,
Right.
you know, having a chainsaw, what if gas prices are like 10 bucks a gallon? You know, and you need to cut wood for your home for heat. All you got to buy is bar oil. You've got, you know, for 100, I think the retail price on is like 160 bucks.
Yeah, it wouldn't take that long to burn that up in gas.
No kidding. No kidding. One winter's worth of firewood, easy, you could save the money. We'll just have to see how long that battery lasts.
Yeah, I mean, it's still at 2, but
Yeah,
we haven't used it that
and,
much.
And we haven't even like charged it yet. We just
No.
got it out of the box like that.
Yeah, that's the
That's crazy. We'll
same
charge it
amount of
up.
charge it was.
We'll charge it up and see where we get after that. We'll do a lot more cutting with it.
Yeah.
Oh, quit. That's it. Wow. Huh. That's a pretty big log right there. There we go, and that is actually a solid one. There's no punkiness about that at all. And there's 2 hearts in this big knot, this big crotch, so this is a lot of hard stuff to get through. and it ate it right up. I mean, now, is this as powerful as my 66? No. But it might be as powerful as that Echo.
Yeah, I would say it is at least as powerful as that Echo.
We're going to do a head-to-head comparison of those three saws, the Echo, the Stihl, and the Wild Badger, from a cold start. So, you know, one of the advantages of electric chainsaw is that you don't have to start it with the ripcord. You just push the button. So we'll see if that plays into a factor. Of course, you know, the cutting speed matters too. So we'll see how that compares also. So, ready, Zeke?
Yep.
Let her rip. So now, next saw is the Stihl MS250, which I believe this saw is about 15 years old, roughly, maybe a little more than that. So Zeke will get her started and go from there. Are you ready?
Yep.
Go. Hate starting them on the ground.
Yeah, me too.
That's the safe way. Cold start. All right, now it's for the Echo CS3510. I believe these are all 16-inch bars on these saws.
This one might be a 14.
All right.
I don't know.
All right, start her up, Zeke. Don't forget the brake this time.
And my headphones.
And your headphones. What do you think? Which one's faster?
I don't know. I think it's pretty close.
Pretty close. I think, this is what I think. I think the Echo and the Wild Badger. makes me feel like Marty Stauffer. Wild America. Anyway. I think the Echo and the Wild Badger were probably about the same. And I think the Stihl was faster.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
But we'll check the footage and put her together, see what it does. So what do you think about that Wild Badger? What do you think about the Wild Badger?
I like it. I'm not a huge fan of the delay when you pull the trigger.
Yeah.
Being used to a gas chainsaw.
Why don't you go grab it? Go grab it.
You get that immediate hit.
Right. Yeah.
Where a few times I've been like, why isn't it working?
Right, right.
Whereas like with a chainsaw, with a gas chainsaw, it would be immediate.
Right.
So it took a little getting used to, but after I got used to that, I like it.
Yeah.
It's lighter than the steel and
Oh yeah, way lighter.
yeah, way lighter. It's easier to trim higher branches.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, let's give it another cut real
Okay.
quick and see what. Give it another chance. Of course, I mean that's impressive. I think that steel was like $300 when I bought it brand new, and now they're probably an equal one is probably more like 500. And the Echo was about $250 last year. Was it last year or the year before?
I don't remember.
I don't either. And then this Wild Badger doesn't take any gas, and you know it's only like $180 on Amazon. So, all right, let's try it out. Yeah,
Might be a little bit slower than the Echo.
maybe a little bit, but dang, you gotta be impressed with that. That is impressive.
Yeah.
Of course, in the steel, it has a full chisel chain on it, where the Echo and the Wild Badger have semi-chisel safety chains on it, anti-kickback chains. So the steel is going to be faster just because of the chain. But yeah, I know it's not a scientific comparison, but I like that little bugger. It's going to be a good chainsaw. I wouldn't be my only chainsaw, but boy, I tell you what, if we didn't have the ability to get gas and we needed to cut wood, we can still cut wood, you know?
Yeah.
So, anyway, if you want to get a hold of one of these, I'll put a link in the description. You can get one right from there. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Yep, we're gonna have to tip that off now. Here, I'll hold it, you cut it.